Give a big hand, 501st Legion. Man, they just went all out. Look at the costumes and look what they do here. This is just fantastic and for a great cause. Man, oh man. Hey, Jake, what do you think?
Yeah, you know, I think I'm pretty inspired in this day and age when there's so much division, especially, where to see the light and the dark working together for a common goal. It's very inspiring. I appreciate it. Thank you. So come and get your photos done by donation. They have tons of t-shirts. I wish I brought my wallet with me because there's a couple I could see I'd love to have myself. They got 50-50 draws over here in the corner. Come and support these fantastic people today and all your vendors here at the Poco Car Show.
Yeah, we love you. And man, oh man, we gotta get some of those helmets there, Jake, for in Joliet there for solitary confinement.
Yeah, that would be weird.
Why don't we're gonna sing a couple songs. Hope you don't mind the noise over here. 501st Legion Children's Hospital. We love you. Thank you so much. You saw the movie, you'll recognize this next little tune. 1, 2. So many of you lovely people here today. We especially like to welcome the 501st Legion for being here and supporting this great show. We sincerely hope you all enjoy the show, ladies and gentlemen, because we're just going to have a really great time today here, aren't we, Jake? What do you think? Yep. Jake does the singing. I do all the talking, as you can see that for now. But if you saw the movie, let's do it! Everybody needs somebody. Everybody needs somebody to love. Someone to love.
Someone to love.
A sweetheart to miss.
Sweetheart to miss.
And sugar to kiss.
Sugar to kiss.
So I need you, you. I need you, you. I need you, in the morning. When my soul's on fire. Sometimes I feel a little sad inside. When they're making the streets big, I never find a place to hide. You know, people, when you do find somebody, hold that woman, hold that man, love him, please him, squeeze her, please her. Hold, squeeze and please that person, give him all your love. Signify your feelings with every gentle caress, because it's so important to have that special somebody to hold, kiss, miss, squeeze and please. Everybody needs somebody. Everybody needs somebody to love. Someone to love. Sweetheart to miss. Sugar to kiss. I need you, you. I need you, you. I need you, you. I need you, you. thank you. Yeah, just,
A kung fu at the end of it.
I saw that, Jake. You're just getting all the new moves, all the better moves out there. Man, oh man, we're watching all these young types with their dancing moves, trying to copy some of them. We'll learn them eventually. What do you think, Jake?
Still working on flossing.
Still working, yeah, okay.
I'm too fat to floss.
Again, don't forget the 501st Legion here, Children's Hospital. They got 50-50, they got prizes, they got shirts you can buy, they got pictures with all the Star Wars stuff. People, guys, gals. It's enough of that.
You can tell he's not really a fan, right? He's like,
oh yeah, well they don't let us watch those kind of movies in Joliet, you know that.